Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be doing underwater scene, and for that we'll be using any size paper. You can even use your art files, some oil pastels, crayons or anything, and scene, black bold marker or sketch pen, and a pencil. So I'll be drawing various things like octopus, jellyfish, clownfish, and some shells, some corals. So one by one I'll be teaching, and coloring, it's up to you. You can even do different colors in these things. Background also, it's totally up to you. Want to leave it plain or you want to make some waves. So I'll be telling you one by one. Let's start with the jellyfish. So for jellyfish, what you're going to do, you're going to make a semicircle, a small semicircle. You can place these underwater animals anywhere where you like on the paper. So for jellyfish, make a semicircle and then make some two curves like this, small two curves like this, and then we'll start making these curves. Of different size, like one can be small, one can be big. This. And now I'm going to make its eyes. Small circles. A small mouth. Okay. Now here comes the octopus. So I'll place my octopus somewhere here, and I'll draw an oval, half oval shape like this, and now its legs. Now the octopus have big legs, so we are going to make big ones. Like this. Now eyes of the octopus, big eyes, big mouth. Okay, now I'll make your clownfish. You can even change the fishes you want. You can make different fishes you want to make, like simple fish or anything. So I'll just teach you how to make a clownfish. So we'll start from the back like this, and now we are going to move towards the face. A normal face, a normal fish like this, mouth, the eyes. Now here we are making double circles, one small and one big, and we are going to color the small one. Like this. Going to divide like this. And the clownfish is of orange and white. So we are going to use this orange and white in this. We'll make some lines like this. Okay, and now we have a normal fish like this. You all know how to draw a fish. You have already drawn it. Like this. Colors are totally up to you. You can use any color in these fishes, in this jellyfish, octopus. And now we have some pebbles and stones and some coral reefs, aquatic plants or reefs, anything you can make. If you want to add a starfish, you can add a starfish also. And here I'm going to add a shell, a small shell like this, curve, and then join these lines like this. Make more pebbles, more reefs, aquatic plant like this, a big one. Some more stones. Something like this also, and you can color this black. You can add more animals, more aquatic animals, more fishes, more starfish, more reefs, more corals, anything. And now we'll be coloring it. So here I've done orange for your clownfish and yellow and pink. I've done some shading in this, and gray for the jellyfish, and some dark green, yellow and light green we are going to use for our plants. And so like this. So let's take some dark green, just a little bit, and take some light green, just mix them like this. Same ways, take some brown, dark brown, and take some white or gray, anything, or you can even use skin color to mix. Take some skin color and mix it with brown. So this way you will be getting different shades. And you can even use, you are going to use bright colors. I know you all are very smart, you all are very intelligent, you know how to use colors by now. So complete your work. And for the background, sky blue and dark blue, you want to just give some shades, or you want to do waves. It's totally up to you. In this first class, you are getting a total freedom to do experiments with these oil pastels. These are amazing medium to use. Make waves like this, or you want to just do flat color. It's totally up to you. You want to make some bubbles with them, like you are going to make some bubbles like this with the fish. You're going to leave the white space and make the bubble, and just give them a depth with dark color. You can use dark blue, or you can use violet or purple, any dark color, any shade of blue you can use. And please do share the images after completing your work with me on WhatsApp as usual, and write your name on the artwork only. Right side on the artwork, please write your name, class, section, and share with me. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this. Have a good day.